Hello everybody, Matteo here. Now I welcome you in my RC garage to get a closer look at the Gmade GOM Rockbuggy. This buggy have not a removable body as the most RC cars have. The main structure is a tube cage, and on this the body panels are screwed on. A nice cockpit and interior is also included. The driver figure is not in the kit. I used the Wildwilly driver figure from Tamiya. It fits perfect on the driver's seats, and I think its aggressive look fits well in this buggy. The electronics are installed in front under the hood. Here you can see the ESC, and below the ESC the receiver is installed in a sealed box. In the middle you can see the motor, and on the right side the steering servo. This is a steering linkage, and here you can see the penhard bar. From below you can see the 4-link suspension at the rear and the 3-link suspension in front. The plus kit of the GOM Rockbuggy is equipped with steel drive shafts, full ball bearings and some other option parts. This is the shifting servo and the gearbox. The plus kit includes also steel universals on the front axle. The big aeration dampers are filled with oil and work smooth and soft. The damper cylinder is made in aluminum, and the spring preload can be adjusted by turning the ring on the top. The battery compartment is located behind this door. It can be used 3 or 2 cell LiPos, depending on your motor setup. Now a short demonstration of the 2-speed transmission and dig function. Now we are on the second gear. Now first gear and dig function activated. This means the rear axle is blocked. Second gear, first gear, dig function. This is really a big off-road car. With the 2.2 wheels, the off-road performance is outstanding, and the speed shift and dig function help as well, and it makes even more fun. Now let's go outside again and test these functions on the trails. The buggy is now on the first gear, and so slowly and good controllable over the obstacles. On the GOM Plus kit, tires are not included. I use 2.2 Growler from Pitbull. These works very well. Now I can switch to the second gear to reach higher speed for this flat area. Oh, this was close. Now I switch back to the first gear to be able to go again on more difficult terrain. Next I'm going to show you the dig function. It can be difficult to move the buggy on a small area because of the big tires and locket differentials. Now I activate the dig function. As you can see, because of the blocked rear wheels, the front can slide and moves quickly on the desired position. Now, as last, let's go on the rocks.